Hey, what's going on, everybody? Joey Andrew with Simply Vegas and the Chuck It's Group. Today I'm out here in Inspirada, which is a master plan community on the south end of the Las Vegas Valley in the city of Henderson. The great thing about this community is that you're very centrally located. You're about 15 minutes from the airport, 20 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip, and it has over 85 acres of parks, pools, recreation, sports courts, you name it, it's all here. There's also two schools within the master plan. One is a charter school called Pinecrest, and the other is a public school called Ellis. And on the horizon, they're building a high school as well as a hotel casino component. It's going to be really fantastic. This place has been growing exponentially for the past 6, 7, 8 years, and we're really excited because it's really gained a lot of steam over the past couple years. So this is the place to be. The price per square foot out here is very, very reasonable, but I'm going to show you this home right here. This is a Plan 2. It's built by TriPointe Homes, and the community is called Vela. This floor plan is 2,395 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. I really think you guys are gonna like it, so let's get to it. All right, guys, this is the Plan 2A elevation. There are 4 elevations to choose from. You have the A, B, C, and D. This is the A, and the most expensive elevation is going to be around $565,000. What that's gonna do is change the roof line and the roof tiles and give you some stacked stone and just really kind of change the exterior. So this is a more Spanish style design. You can see it has a barrel tile roof and this little archway here. As I'm making this video, the home builder is offering an incentive if you use their preferred lender. So typically what that looks like is 3% towards your closing costs or rate buy down, which is extremely helpful in this market. So this is a 9-foot door. This is going to be an upgrade. You have the Schlage keyless entry. So here they use the luxury vinyl plank, which is a very great material. A lot of home builders are using that now. It's great because you can wet mop it and it's very durable. So we have a bedroom on the first floor. It's going to measure out to be a 10 by 12. TriPointe does really well is that they put these little windows in the room. So you have 2 here, then you have a nice rectangle window over here. It modernizes the house, gives it a lot more character, and obviously lets in a lot more natural light. Here we have a full bathroom, white vanity. Quartz countertops are going to be standard here, so this is not an upgrade, this is what you get. And the shower, so here with TriPointe, you're not going to be able to upgrade the tile surrounds here. It's going to be a fiberglass enclosure, fiberglass surround with a glass enclosure. Nice storage closet, goes underneath the stairs. It's going to be your entrance to the 2-car garage, but you just have these really nice high ceilings, accent wall, staircase. The entrance is really nice, and again, look at these windows. This is going to be your standard rail here. So they won't give you an option to do the decorative rail, which you see in a lot of homes. There's like the modern horizontal rail or even the traditional rail. This is it. This is what they're going to offer you here, so you can't change that. Coming to the great room. This is a really nice space. Now remember, this house is 2,395 square feet, so they do make a good use of the space. The fireplace is optional, but as you can see, it really becomes a focal point of the house. We have 9-foot ceilings, ceiling fan pre-wire. It's going to be standard, and then you have your recessed lights. This is also going to be a standard slider with an option trellis there, so that's optional. Nice open kitchen. I love the color scheme, very coastal. Stainless steel appliances. Now you can upgrade your appliances with TriPointe if you like. They're displaying the Cafe brand, which is great brand. It's a line from GE. Overhead microwave, 5-burner push-in stove, the double oven. This microwave does vent out. So here they're showing the 42-inch shaker cabinets, more modern, so they're the flat design. And then you have I want to say that's a 4-inch crown. There's your pantry. Composite white Blanco sink. Very popular, very durable. I own one of these myself and it's great. I have the single basin. This divider I just don't like because you can't really put pots in here. But if this is single basin, it's absolutely great. Very durable, doesn't scratch or dent. Here we have our dining area. So you can see they have a 6-top with plenty of space and an additional slider that's going to take you to the backyard. Now here at Vela, these are going to be the standard backyards. Basically are going off of what people are asking for here in Las Vegas. Most people spend a lot of time inside, so they're creating more of an indoor-outdoor living space, but they're reducing the size of the yards. Now, again, not everybody's different, and some people might want a bigger backyard, so this property might not be for you. But if you don't care for a large backyard, this community is fantastic. So we make our way upstairs. You have 1 turn, 2 turns, and then you hit the landing. So very comfortable to walk up, not steep at all. They're utilizing this loft space space as an office, as you can see here. I don't even think you can get that as an upgrade. That's gonna be something you'll have to do after the fact. They don't do decorative upgrades like shelving, things like this, except for custom closets. Take a peek out the window right here. So the mountain there, that's Sloan Canyon. Great for hiking. As we make our way around to the corner here, there's a full bathroom, 2 sinks and the vanity, shower tub combo, fiberglass surround, and bedroom. I'm gonna swing back around here. So we do have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor, which is really nice. A lot of builders will only offer the 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, even though they do 9-foot on the first floor. So having the 9-foot really just opens up the house and just makes it feel much larger. They only give you doorways that are 6 foot 8 inches though. Here we have the luxury vinyl. They continued on the second floor. And here we have our laundry room. So the upper cabinets are optional as well as the lower. If not, this would just be one big open space. And then here we have the brains of the house. This is where all of your connections will go. I like that they put it here in the laundry room because it's easily accessible. All right, and before we go into the primary bedroom, there's a linen closet. Now we come into the bedroom. This is a very large room. I want to say this is a 20 by 20 king size bed. I love how they did the accent. So again, the ceiling accents here, they are done after market. They will not be including these or giving you an option to do this accent on your ceiling. So keep that in mind as well. With these model homes, you can guesstimate that they're putting anywhere between $100,000 to $120,000 plus in options and decorative options. This is the primary closet or master bedroom closet. I don't know, should we call it master or primary? I get so confused nowadays. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. This is optional as well. This is the mirrored closet door. But going back to the options, you're gonna spend about 20% of the base price in structural and design center options. And then keep in mind, anything that you do after you close is gonna be on top of that. But here we have the shower and tub. So there is no option to do the long spa shower because you do have a window here. So if you're a tubber and you like tubs, this is perfect for you. If you guys have any questions regarding this floor plan or availability, again, I had mentioned that there are only 10 homes available in this community, and that includes the quick move-ins that they have. So if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. If you're thinking about making a move in the next 30 or 60, 90 days and you are interested in Vela, make sure you reach out to me directly because these homes are selling fast and prices and incentives are subject to change at any time. So make sure you reach out to me. All my contact information is below. Again, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. I truly appreciate the support.